Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this look. It's just a really pretty, I feel like simple but really glowy look, and it really brightens the eyes and everything. So I'm like obsessed. I've been obsessed with like the holographics and the glowing and the glitters and the metallics. I know I say that a lot in like all my videos, but it's true. I'm just like super obsessed. So yeah, if you guys would like to see how I got this look, then please keep watching. Okay guys, so to start off this look, I already did my face. I will leave the details or all that stuff down below of like what I used. It's basically the same exact routine, like foundation routine, concealer routine, and setting powder routine that I normally do. So I didn't want to like film that. We're just focusing on the eyes. So to start off the eye look today, we are going to take a Morphe M502. And we're taking the Carli palette. And I'm actually going to be using the third shade in the first row. And I'm just going to use that as a transition shade, and I'm going to apply it right in the crease. Okay, so after I applied that transition shade, I'm going to go in with the third shade in the third row from her palette, and I'm going to apply that just below that crease shade. I keep like autofocusing this camera. I'm so sorry. I'm just like still figuring out how this works, and it doesn't have autofocus. So, but I don't know if you guys can tell if it like on this side, like I had some of that highlighting shade, and I actually blended it into my crease. I had that holographic highlighting shade that I have like all over. I had it on this brush, and I went in to do that crease shade, and it's just like all over the place. So I don't know if you guys, I could see it. That's gonna bother the freak out of me. It's not like super duper noticeable, but it's noticeable. Okay, I'm just gonna carry on. Anyways, so I'm still using that brown shade in the third row on her palette that I was talking about, and I'm just applying that in the crease. After that is blended out, I'm going to take this flat Sigma concealer brush, and I'm picking up the very lightest shade in her palette, and I'm applying that in the corners of my eyes, and then I'm bringing it to the middle of my eyelid. So going back in with that same Morphe brush I used first, and that third shade, the orange that I used for my crease, I'm just going to blend this out. Okay, so with that same Sigma concealer brush that I used, I'm going to pick up the lightest shade in her palette, and it's the white highlight. Well, the lightest highlight shade in her palette. And I'm picking some up with this flat concealer brush, and I'm just going to go over the white that I did, and I'm just going to pack it on. Then with the same brush, I'm going to pick up that holographic highlighter in her palette and just apply that a little bit over it. Just a little. So then with a more dense Morphe brush, I'm going to pick up the darkest brown in her shade. I'm like sweating. It is so hot in here. I'm picking up that darkest shade and I'm applying that on the outer V, and then I'm going to bring it into my crease just to add some dimension. I'm sorry that I keep looking to my left. I do have a monitor and I'm trying to make sure that this is not out of focus. So I apologize that I keep looking this way. So for eyeliner, I'm using the e.l.f. Just the e.l.f. liquid liner in jet black. I'm going to be definitely out of focus for this because I have to lean forward and kind of see what I'm doing. So I will be back. Okay guys, so I'm back. I just went offline. I applied eyeliner, fixed my eyeliner, put mascara, used eyelashes. For mascara, I used the Buxom. I used the e.l.f. eyeliner, and then I applied Ardell Wispie lashes. So for the eyeliner, I'm going to be using, sorry, I feel like there's like a hair on my nose. I'm applying the ColourPop nude eyeliner in Honey Dude. Then for blush, I'm going to be using the NARS and Golu. Oh, I've had this blush for so long and I seriously don't know how to say it. Just really lightly, nothing crazy. And I applied it lightly with my foundation brush. Now to make sure everything is set, I'm just going over everything with my Real Techniques fluffy brush. And for lips, I'm going to be using ColourPop BFF. And then for lipstick, I'm using the Stila liquid lip. I've had this color for a while. I usually use I've used this, or I've had this for like a while, so I'll leave the name down below because the sticker with the name, well, where the name's supposed to be, actually came off. And then to set the face, I'm going to be using my Pixie Vitamin Wake Up Mist. So while that's drying, I'm going to pick up that holographic shade. The reason why I didn't want to pick up the palette earlier and show you guys is because like it is falling apart and it's super messy and I'm wearing white, so we all know how that goes. And I actually got foundation on my shirt. It's just like a little spot. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's like right here. Right there. And I never wear this dress just because it's white, and for that reason I don't want it to get all dirty, and then I wear it to do a tutorial and I get it dirty. Okay, so I am taking this highlight shade, the holographic shade, and I'm going to use it to highlight my cupid's bow, my nose, and under my brows. Okay, so that's it for this look. Okay guys, so that's it for this look. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. So if you did, then please don't forget to like and subscribe before you leave as always. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.